Welcome! In front of me I have LENOVO Tab 2 A10-30 and I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard language on this device. First, we need to open the settings. To do it, tap this icon right here. In settings, scroll down and select language and input. Here tap on Google Keyboard. Now tap on languages. And now we need to turn off the Use System Language option by tapping the slider. And here we have a list of languages we can enable for our device. Find the language you like to use and enable it by tapping the slider next to it. I'm gonna enable Arabic, for example. Now we can disable the English language to make the Arabic one default. So let's do it. And we can go back to something we can write in. For example, let's open the Chrome browser. And when we tap right here, the keyboard will appear, and as you can see, it's in Arabic. We can also have multiple languages enabled. To do it, let's go back to the settings, right here. Enable, for example, English. And now we have 2 languages enabled. Let's go back to Google Chrome. As you can see, the keyboard is now in English, and we can change the language by pressing and holding on the spacebar. This menu will appear, and here we can select Arabic or English. We're gonna select Arabic. As you can see, the language changed, and you can also change the languages by tapping on this globe icon next to spacebar. By tapping on it, you will toggle between the languages, like that. And that's how you change the keyboard language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.